Kita nyo ah. Complete gear tayo guys. Kasi wala pagka tingnan nyo, oh, yun oh, kapal na oh. Hindi naasahan mga tao ganito. Kasi ano, November 9 pa lang.
Brian, dali na, dali na.
Makapal na no, hindi may ito yung inaasahan ng mga tao.
Then ata ngayon eh.
Oo.
Hanggang bukas?
Yeah. Tuloy-tuloy eh. Hindi pa naman winter. Oo. Kaya bundle up lagi. Oh. Tayo nyo. Sabi ng iba hindi raw nag-i-snow. Ito, ano tawag nila dito? Di ba? Okay lang. Salamat sa pagsama sa aking snow vlog today, November 9. 3:30 PM. Atin tayo sa party. Epic fun. Oh. Pero share ko lang yung live video update natin dito sa Toronto, Canada kasi nag-i-snow na. It's not even winter. It's only November 9. Kita nyo naman yung mga oh. Pasok tayo. Woo! Watch out ah. Oh, ito pakita ko sa inyo oh. Live the live tayo guys.
Okay, come on.
Slippery. Madulas. Margo. Be careful, be careful. Madulas. Yeah. So, titing ko today is November 9. Time check, it's 2:40 in the afternoon.
2:40?
Yeah.
2:40 you mean?
Yeah. Madulas yung kalsada guys. Ang temperature is -1. Feels like -7. Kaya hawak kamay kami dito. We're going to attend the party at Epic Fun.
The party doesn't start until 3.
Yeah, look at this.
This is not AI or fake.
Yeah. Live the live tayo guys. Kita nyo naman. It is not yet winter.
It's only November.
Yeah, it's only November 9. So technically it's still fall.
But
pero tingnan nyo.
Like winter.
It's winter like season. Slushy.
We're walking in snow that looks like slushy.
Yeah. So when you're driving, extra careful. Kasi yung iba hindi pa nakapagpalit ng winter tire. Marami ng
There's snow in my
bunggo-bunggo
hair.
na sasakyan.
There's snow in my hair.
Yeah. Dumudula sila. Saka paglakad, dahan-dahan. Oh.
Almost slipped.
Yeah.
I almost just slipped.
Kita niyo iba oh.
Canadian tire.
Yeah. Whew.
I don't want to slip.
Yeah. That's why I walk slowly.
That's why I'm walking a different now. I'm keeping my feet together like a penguin.
Like do the penguin walk.
I feel like
May walk.
I'm holding on to.
Yeah.
I'm scared I might slip.
Oh, mga bata, excited.
Bam! Actual snow.
Yeah. 6'7". Oh. So kita nyo, ayan, may mga asin na yung mga kalsada rito. Yan yung magpapatunaw sa snow tsaka para hindi madulas.
I wish it was summer again.
And then we're lucky kasi it's Sunday. Kasi kung Monday ito nangyari, mas mahirap. Oh, ayan oh. Oh. Use oil drop off. Almost sleep, Mickey. Yeah, I'm going to buy you a boots. A big one.
My shoe size is only like 7.
Look at this. Puti na lahat. Oh.
Margo, are you 100 years old now?
Happy birthday, dear Margo. 6'7".
Happy 80th birthday. You want to fly away?
Oh.
Happy 80th birthday,
Grabe.
Margo. Okay, let's go to Old Navy. We have to buy a present. Present for who?
Stamp. Oh, punta mo tayo sa Old Navy. Yeah. Pagpag muna tayo. Kasi masyadong mas snow. Oh, punta tayo sa Old Navy, guys. Ito guys, November 9, 2025. It's 2:45 PM ito. First snowfall dito sa Toronto, Canada. Oh, kita nyo. Live na live to guys. Madulas yung daan.
Bigyan mo ako mamaya.